Restaurant service sequence. Once the guest arrives, the host or head waiter will greet them with a warm smile with politeness. After confirming the reservation, escort the guest to their table. Host may also offer to take coats, bags, or any other belongings. During this process, try to engage guest in light conversation. Once reached at the table, assist the guest in seating. Now the guest is seated, unfold the napkin and placing it on guest's lap. After that, waiter approaches the table and introduces himself and asks the guests their preference for water. Serve the selected water for each guest, filling the glass to about 3/4 full. Here remember, in table setting, all glassware are put on the right-hand side of the guest, so service is also done from the right side of the guest. After pouring water, waiter presents the beverage menu, which includes wine, cocktails, and aperitifs. Once the guests have reviewed the beverage menu, the waiter returns to take the drink orders. If the guest is not so sure, you may offer recommendations or pairings based on their potential meal choices. After the beverage order is taken, the waiter or a server brings bread and butter to the table. Bread and butter are placed and served from the left side of the guest. And after that, waiter serves the ordered beverages. Usually, beverages should be served within 5 minutes of taking the order. Now note, some restaurants also serve bread and butter after beverages are served. As there is not a big time gap between bread butter service and beverage service, so it okay to be served before or after drink service. In the end, it depends on restaurant SOPs. After the beverages are served, the food menu is presented and allow the guests some time to review it. It allows guests to enjoy their drinks while reviewing their meal options. After the guests have had time to review the food menu and while they are enjoying their drinks, the waiter returns to take the food order. Take note of any requests, dietary restrictions, allergies, or special requests. Confirm the order with the guests before leaving the table. Now is the time for food service. Serve the first course, such as appetizers or salads. For food service rules, remember, pre-plated foods are served from the right side of the guest, and platter to plate service is done from the left side of the guest. Now, after a few minutes of serving the first course, discreetly check in to ensure everything is to their satisfaction. Once the guests have finished their first course, clear the plates from the right side. After clearing plates, do the crumbing. Crumbing means to remove any crumbs or food particles which dropped on table or tablecloth during having meal by the guest. Now is the time for serving main course, but before that, check if all the cutleries and crockeries are added or replaced as per the ordered food. Also, present the dish with a brief description. Similar to first course, a few minutes after serving the main course, check back with the guest if the food is to their liking or not. Once everyone has finished the main course, clear the plates from the right side, along with any utensils no longer needed. Now for clearance, the cutleries and crockeries, which are placed in front and to the right side of guest, to be cleared from the right side, and which are on the left side to be cleared from the left. Also, during the entire dining, if drinks are running low, offer to refill or bring fresh beverages. After clearing the main course, present the dessert menu. Allow the guests a few minutes to review the menu, then take the dessert order and serve it. Here some restaurants also offers digestive menu, which contains alcoholic drinks served after a meal to aid digestion, and in the end may also offer tea or coffee. Now, once the guest finished their dessert, then clear dessert and finishing drinks, and discreetly offer the bill. Once guests indicate they are ready to pay, promptly process the payment. Return with receipt or change, thanking the guest warmly. Now, in the end, thank the guest for dining with you and offer assistance with their belongings.